In search of the best electric trike to make your ride better in 2025, comfort, power, or simply the most eco-friendly way to commute is yours. In this video, we're featuring the top 5 best electric trikes of the year, urban cruisers to heavy-duty haulers. These are the models that get people talking and revolutionizing the way we get around. Hang on to find out which trike is number 1. Number 1. Addmotor Greattan L. The Addmotor Greattan L is a high-end electric trike designed for adult riders seeking performance, stability, and passenger-ready comfort. Propelled by a 750-watt rear-mounted brushless motor with a peak power of 1400 watt and 90 Nm of torque, the Greattan L navigates hills and heavy loads with confidence. Equipped with a 48-volt 20-amp-hour Samsung lithium-ion battery, the Greattan L delivers an impressive 130+ miles of range per charge and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The battery requires 8 to 10 hours to fully top up, ensuring you're ready for the next day's adventure. Based on a rugged 7020 aluminum alloy frame and paired with a double shoulder suspension fork, this trike is capable of dealing with harsh terrain. The 24-inch by 4-inch front tire and 20-inch by 4-inch rear fat tires are both stable and comfortable on any surface. Riders will enjoy the well-padded saddle with backrest, 7-level pedal assist, torque sensor, and EB 2.0 LCD display. Safety is provided with mechanical disc brakes on all 3 wheels, a motor cutoff sensor, and a 5-in-1 taillight system. From its passenger seat through to its right-hand half-twist throttle, the Greattan L is a perfect selection for daily commutes, errands, or stylish and confident leisure rides. Priced at $3,999, it's built with careful features that ensure every ride is smooth, powerful, and safe. Number 2. HJM TriHauler Pro. The HJM TriHauler Pro is a strong and capable electric trike designed for adults requiring serious hauling capabilities and extended range performance. With a 1000-watt Bafang rear drive motor that peaks at 1270 watts and provides 90 Nm of torque, the trike can tackle heavy loads and varying terrain with aplomb. The trike has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a massive range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, thanks to a 48-volt 20-amp-hour UL-certified LG battery. Cyclists will love the thumb throttle, torque sensor, and Shimano 6-speed freewheel for effortless, natural pedaling. The Gemma hydraulic brakes provide excellent, consistent stopping power, even when loaded, and the front fork suspension takes bumps out for a smoother ride. Described as hauling up to 480 pounds, the TriHauler Pro has fat tires 24 by 4 inches front, 20 by 4 inches rear, custom-shaped aluminum handlebars, and VP mountain-type pedals to promote durability and control. Built-in tail lighting, 13-gauge stainless steel spokes, and premium components throughout contribute to its solid construction. For $2,799, the HJM TriHauler Pro is a great option for anyone who wants a dependable long-distance electric trike that combines performance, utility, and value in a heavy-duty package. Number 3. Meetone Breeze Pro. The Meetone Breeze Pro redefines comfort, safety, and power in a folding electric trike, making it a top recommendation for seniors and adults looking for mobility with confidence. It's equipped with a 750-watt high-efficiency brushless motor with 90 Nm of torque, going up to 22 miles per hour, and featuring a slow start feature for effortless acceleration, perfect for new riders or tight spaces. Its 48-volt 20-ampere-hour LG lithium battery, UL2271, certified with sophisticated BMS protection, allows for up to 100 miles in pedal assist mode and 60 miles on throttle, terrain and load dependent. The foldable, low step-through steel frame allows a load capacity of 450 pounds, ideal for heavy loads or adult riders. Comfort is the monarch with the extra-wide ergonomic saddle with a semi-recumbent backrest, both adjustable. The triple hydraulic mechatronic braking system with 180mm rotors, power cutoff sensor, and integrated parking provides first-class safety. A reverse gear, hill parking assist, and anti-backflip wheels add to control. Other features are hydraulic front suspension, Shimano 7-speed gear system, torque sensor, cruise control, electric horn, mirrors, and large front-rear baskets. Priced at $2,049, Breeze Pro is unmatched in value and in features usually reserved for much higher prices, ideal for seniors or anyone looking for reliable, classy electric mobility. Number 4. Mooncool TK Pro. The Mooncool TK Pro is carefully crafted adult electric tricycle, providing the perfect combination of performance, safety, and daily use convenience. The trike comes with a 750-watt helical motor, providing improved torque and smooth acceleration, removing startup slippage, and providing a smooth, stable ride. A highlight of this model is its 48-volt 20 ampere-hour removable battery pack, which provides an extended range of up to 85 miles per charge, allowing the rider to travel further without having to recharge repeatedly. The foldable design provides unparalleled portability, making it simple to store or carry from home, work, or on the road. Constructed with a robust 6061 aluminum frame, the TK Pro provides a strong yet lightweight build, suitable for daily commutes or trips to the grocery store. The rear speed differential adds increased stability during cornering and tighter maneuverability, perfect for city riding. With expansive front and rear baskets, it is perfectly capable of managing cargo, making it an excellent option for errands and recreational use. Priced at $1,999, this three-wheel electric bike delivers high-end features, portability, and performance in one convenient package for adults who require comfort, reliability, and storage ease. Number 5. Lectric XP Trike 2. The Lectric XP Trike 2 combines power, safety, and innovation in a stylish, foldable e-trike. Its heart is a 500-watt rear hub motor and 1,092-watt peak power that gives 65 Newton-meter of torque, all with Stealth M24 technology for a quieter, smoother ride. The 48-volt 13 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides up to 50 miles of travel on a full charge. Whether you're running daily errands or taking long rides, the 415 pounds payload capacity and tool-free assembly make it ideal for daily use. Safety is excellent with Star Union hydraulic brakes and 180mm rotors, a 90-lumen headlamp, turn signals, brake lights, and reflective, slime-filled 20-inch by 2.5-inch tires to avoid flats. The Cloud 50 suspension fork with 50mm of travel provides a smooth, joint-friendly ride. Frame built with a hydroformed 6000 series aluminum, it's 30% lighter than steel options. Ergonomic frame design enhances stability, particularly at speed. The color display, TFT with USB-C port, displays ride metrics and provides 5 riding modes, Eco through Turbo, while the half-twist throttle provides instant torque. Priced at $1,499, the XP Trike 2 is the best combination of performance, comfort, and affordability in the electric trike segment. Thanks for checking out our top 5 best electric trikes of 2025 countdown. If you found your next vehicle or learned something new, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-bike reviews. Have a favorite trike we didn't cover? Leave it in the comments, we'd love to hear what you have to say.